Hello students, we are doing worksheet number 4 which have word problems in it, and we have discussed one problem. And do you remember that in which situation we need to multiply? Yes, when one thing is given and we have to find out many of same kind, then we will multiply. So let us start with the B part of worksheet number 4. Here the question is a can of oil contains 15 liters of oil. A can means one can of oil contains 15 liters of oil. How much oil is there in 240 such cans? So here the question is that एक कैन में, वन कैन में 15 लीटर्स ऑयल आता है, तो 240 सेम वैसी कैन्स में कितना ऑयल आएगा? दैट मीन्स वन थिंग इज गिवन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मैनी. That means oil in one can is given. You have to find out the oil in 240 such cans. So here we have to multiply. You can easily come to know that here one thing is given and you have to find out the many. So here the can in one oil in one can is given. Oil in one can. And you have to find out the oil in 240 such cans. So oil in one can is 15 liters. So you have to find out the oil in 240 such cans. So we will multiply 240 multiplied by 15 liters. We will get the answer. So multiply it. We'll start from ones place. 5 zeros is 0, 5 fours are 20, 2 carry over, 5 to 10 plus 2 is 12. And then when we multiply with tens place, we will put cross at ones place, or 0, write 0 at ones place. So when we multiply any number by 1, we will get the number itself. So 1 0 is 0, 1 4 is 4, and 1 2 is 2, and then add it. Here is the answer: 0, 0 plus 0 again, 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3600 liters. So the question is, how much oil is there in 240 such cans? So we will write the answer. There is 3600 liters of oil, 240 such cans. Now move to the next question, C part. What is the next question? There are 238 beads in a necklace. That means in one necklace there are 238 beads. Find the total number of beads in 167 such necklaces. So here the beads in a one necklace is given, and you have to find out the beads in 167 such necklaces. Again, the question is of same type. Here one thing is given and you have to find out the many of the same kind. Beads in one necklace is given and you have to find out the beads in 167 such necklaces. So we'll write the statement, and I have already told you that how you can write the statement. See the things which is given first. Here 238 is given. What is 238? 238 is the beads in one necklace. And then 167, what is 167? 167 is the number of necklaces in which we have to find out the beads. So we'll start this question. So number of beads in one necklace. And what we have to find out? Number of beads in 167 necklaces. Now how many beads are there in one necklace? That is 238. Now we have to find out the number of beads in 167 such necklaces. So we will multiply it and we will get the answer. So multiply it. So 7, first of all we will multiply it by ones place. So 7 8 is 56, 5. Now 7 3 is 21 plus 5 is 26. 2 carry over. 7 is 14 plus 2 is 16. Then multiplied by tens place. We'll put cross at ones place. Then 6 8 is 48. Here is 4. Now 6 3 is 18 plus 4 is 22. 2 carry over. 6 to 12 plus 2 is 14. And then we have to multiply it by 100 place. We will put 2 crosses because 100 has 2 zeros. Now multiplied by 100 place. So here is 1. So very easy. Multiplied by 1 we will get the same answer. That is same number itself. So 8 3 2. Now at last we will add them. Now 6, 8 plus 6 is 14, 1, 8 plus 2 10, 16 plus 1 is 17, 1 carry over. 3 plus 4 7, plus 1 8, plus 1 is 9, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So here 37,746 beads are there in 167 such necklaces. So we have to write the answer. So there are 39,746 beads in 167 such necklaces. So in this way you can do the word problems. Now move to the next question. It is little bit different. Here 1 dozen bananas cost rupees 36. The cost of 1 dozen banana is given. You have to find out the cost of 720 dozen banana. So do you know what is dozen here? There are 12 things in 1 dozen. Suppose if you want to purchase the bananas, if you want to purchase 12 bananas, then you will say that to the shopkeeper that give me 1 dozen banana, and 1 dozen means 12. Half dozen, half of 12 is 6, so half dozen means 6. Now there are 12 in 1 dozen, so 1 dozen means 12. So in 1 dozen 1 dozen bananas cost 36. The cost of 12 bananas is rupees 36. But here we have to consider 1 dozen as 1. So 1 dozen banana cost rupees 36, and we have to find out the cost of 720 dozen bananas. Again, the question is same. Here the cost of one thing is given, and you have to find out the cost of 720. That is many things you have to find out. So again, 1 to many we have to multiply. So D part, So here we will write the statement. What is given is cost of 1 dozen bananas. And we have to find out the cost of 720 dozen bananas. So cost of 1 dozen banana is rupees 36, and we have to find out the cost of 720 dozen bananas. So we will multiply it. 720 multiplied by 36 rupees. So again multiply it. You know how to multiply. 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12, 1 carry over, 7 6 are 42, plus 1 43. Then multiply by tens place. 3 0 is 0, 3 2 is 6, and 7 3 is 21. Add them, we'll get the number of cost of 720 dozen bananas. 02952. 25,920 rupees. So we'll write the answer. The cost of 720 dozen banana is rupees 25,920. Here is the answer. Now move to the next question. E part. There are 1000 pages in a book. In one book, there are 1000 pages. And how many pages are there in 75 such books? Such means वैसी same. One book में 1000 pages है, और सेम वैसी ही 75 बुक्स में कितने पेजेस होंगे, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. So now you got the question, I think, because the question is same as we have already done 4 questions of this type. One is given and we have to find out the many. We have to multiply in this case also. So here is the E part. So what is given? Here the number of pages in one book is given. So we will write number of pages in one book. So here the number of pages in one book is given, and we have to find out the number of pages in 75 such books. So how many pages are there in one book? That is 1000. And we have to find out the pages in 75 such books. So I will not multiply it. Why? Because we can orally multiply it, or you can write it 75 into 1000, or 1000 into 75, both are same. So what will be the answer? We have done how to multiply orally. So 1000 multiplied by 75. The 75 ones are 75, and then we have to write 3 zeros on the right side. So here is 75,000 pages are there in 75 books. So we'll write the answer. There are 75,000 pages in 75 books. And now the value based question. Here, read this question and try to find out the answer of this question. So our third unit is completed. In next video we will start with the next unit. Thank you.